Paralegal research and associated issues. The issue and the position. One of the main problems in paralegal research is the discrepancy between the duties of paralegals and their contribution to their assessment. There are many complex ethical issues and considerations in the work of a paralegal. Paralegals face a wide range of ethical dilemmas in their work, which can directly affect the results and affect their reputation. Thus, the functions of a paralegal include many responsibilities, such as maintaining confidentiality to protect clients' privacy and avoiding providing legal advice due to the nature of unauthorized legal practice. In addition, the work of paralegals is complicated by a lack of time, which causes stress and a long working day. Thus, while paralegals directly influence the outcome of a case, the work of paralegals is often overlooked. In addition, despite the significant contribution of paralegals to the work and the possibility of practically independent work, lawyers are responsible for the work of paralegals. Therefore, even though paralegals make considerable efforts and have a wide range of responsibilities, their legal independence is equated with the usual independence of the staff. While the work of paralegals is recognized as high-quality legal services, and high standards are imposed on paralegals, their work is underestimated, and they still fall under the strong influence of a lawyer. Counterargument. The community expresses dissatisfaction with the fact that lawyers exploit the work of paralegals, allowing them to perform work without proper supervision or instructions. As an objection, the audience may raise the question of the expediency of reducing functions and reducing requirements for paralegals to prevent their burnout at work. The objection should be answered because some lawyers may intentionally delegate their functions and tasks to paralegals for economic efficiency. Profit is an essential component of the functioning of lawyers who will not put pressure on the mental stability of paralegals. In my opinion, it is important to introduce mandatory restrictions for paralegals' work to ensure control over their functioning and avoid work overload. Restrictions will convey to lawyers the idea that by delegating responsibilities and allowing uncontrolled legal practice, they risk their reputation and damage clients' rights. Audience. The work is aimed at the public interested in paralegal research and people who work as paralegals. Additionally, this work is intended for lawyers and lawyers interested in improving their efficiency with the help of paralegals and wishing to study all aspects of the work of paralegals without supervision. The main goal is to answer all objections, as they may interfere with the current work of paralegals. The bottom line, which is important to come to, is that changes in activities should improve the working conditions of paralegals. Strategy for convincing the audience. The main purpose of the work is to change the audience's perception of the paralegal profession. To achieve the result, it is necessary to perform the following tasks: identify the profession's main advantages and disadvantages and present a career promotion strategy. To convince the audience, it is essential to show my competence in this matter, to feel empathy for the difficulties of paralegals, and to logically justify the importance and prospects of the profession. Preliminary research. After defining the main points, one tends to focus on supervision and delegation of authority in the work of paralegals since this topic is more relevant to modern conditions. The widespread introduction of remote workplaces after the COVID-19 pandemic has led to an increase in the number of new jobs for paralegals, such as remote virtual paralegals. Studying the supervision and delegation of authority in the work of a legal assistant from the point of view of remote work conditions can add strengths to the discussion of the topic. The study is likely to face a lack of available statistics on supervision in assisting paralegals. However, a substantial factual basis will allow the audience to ask whether cost-effective optimization, such as business, is compatible with legal risks.